In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down just a bit and access display section. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!